Okay students, let us proceed to find the integral of question number 8 of third part of exercise number 3.3 of mathematics 2. Here question number 8 is given as integral of log of 1 plus x to the power 1 plus x dx. Okay students, we know that our type of integral, that is integration of e to the power x of addition of two functions in which the second is integral of first, means f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the power x into f of x plus c. But here there is no any arrangement of this like this format. ऐसा कोई arrangement यहाँ पे नहीं है, means यहाँ पर न तो e to the power x है और there is no any addition of two functions in such a way that the second one or first one is the derivative of first or second. ऐसा कोई arrangement नहीं है. Then what we have to do? Let us proceed to simplify the given question. उसको हम थोड़ा सा उसको simplify करेंगे. After that we will see what we can do. Okay, students, we know that log of m to the power n, that is log of exponent, log of exponent of logarithms, that is log of m to the power n, that is equal to n into log of m. तो क्या यह ऐसा नहीं है? This format, this log is using okay, so we can write it as this one is equal to log of m to the power n. Log of m to the power n is equal to n into log of m, that is n means 1 plus x into log of 1 plus x dx. Okay, now we have to make a term having e to the power x, that is like a term e to the power x means exponential function. So how we can make an exponential function? For that, let log of 1 plus x is equal to t. Okay, so using the definition of logarithms, that is log of x means if a to the power x is equal to b, then x is equal to log of b to the base a, or vice versa, that is log of b to the power b to the base a is equal to x, then b is equal to a to the power x. So here the base is e, that is natural logarithm. So 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to e to the power t. Okay, means if log of b to the base a is equal to x, then b is equal to a to the power x. Here log of 1 plus x to the base e, since this one is our natural logarithm, this is equal to t, so 1 plus x is equal to e to the power t. Okay, so now we have to change dx in the form of t. dx, since we are changing all functions containing x in the form of t, so we have to convert dx in the form of dt. Okay, so taking derivative of both sides, the derivative of 1, that is d by dx of 1 plus x is equal to d by dx of e to the power t. Then derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x with respect to x is 1 is equal to derivative of e to the power t, that is e to the power t, and the derivative of t with respect to x is written as dt by dx. So in this way we can write dx into 1, that is dx is equal to e to the power t into dt. Okay, means 1 plus x is 1 plus x is equal to e to the power t, then dx is equal to e to the power t into dt. Okay, so let us proceed our integral, that is 1 plus x is equal to t. Since you have assumed log of 1 plus x to the base e is equal to t, means this function has a t, and 1 plus x is equal to e to the power t we have, and dx is equal to e to the power t dt. Okay, clear? Log of 1 plus x is assumed as t. Log of 1 plus x to the base e को आपने t assume किया है, then 1 plus x is equal to e to the power t, and dx is equal to e to the power t dt, and this one is equal to e to the power t into e to the power t, that is e to the power 2t into t dt. Okay, our integral is I is equal to integration of e to the power 2t into t dt. Now we have to use our product rule. Product rule for integration means integration of u into v, that is equal to, after on adjusting the u and v using our condition of integration, that is LIATE. First one is logarithm, second one for inverse trigonometric function, third one is algebraic function, and t for trigonometric and e for exponential function. Okay, so since e to the power 2t is an exponential function and t is our algebraic function, so their order is changed. That is, first should be t and second one is equal to e to the power 2t dt. क्लियर हो गया? फर्स्ट हमें algebraic फंक्शन आएगा, उसके बाद ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक, उसके बाद एक्सपोनेंशियल, e for exponential function, that is u into v. u is considered as t and v should be considered e to the power 2t dt. Okay, now applying the u into v rule, we can write it as t into integral of e to the power 2t dt minus integral of d by dt of t into integral of e to the power 2t dt into dt. Okay, clear? And this is equal to t into e to the power 2t upon 2, means integration of e to the power 2t is e to the power 2t and dividing by the coefficient of t. t के coefficient से हमें उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. ओके, एंड माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t with respect to t is 1 and integration of e to the power 2t is written as e to the power 2t upon 2 into dt. This one is equal to 1 by 2 t into e to the power 2t minus 1 by 2 e to the power 2t dt. Clear, students, the problem? Okay, into 1 by 2 into t e to the power 2t minus 1 by 2 into e to the power 2t dt. This is equal to 1 by 2 t e to the power 2t minus 1 by 2 into e to the power 2t upon 2 plus c. Okay, this is equal to, our final answer is I is equal to 1 by 2 t. t means log of 1 plus x into e to the power 2 into t. 1 minute, we have to adjust. Okay, students, please make a note and we will further explain. This is equal to I is equal to 1 by 2 into t. T means log of 1 plus 2t, and e to the power 2 into t. T means log of 1 plus 2t minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 4. 1 by 4 into e to the power twice of log of 1 plus 2t plus c. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus 2t, and since base is 2 and n into log of m, that is log of e to the power log of 1 plus 2t to the power 2 to the base e minus 1 by 4 into e to the power log of 1 plus 2t to the power 2. Base is e, and using this one is equal to 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus 2t into, since we know that if m is equal to log of x to the base m, if m is equal to log of x to the base m, then this is equal to x. Okay, if m is equal to log of x to the base m, अगर यहाँ भी बेस m है और यहाँ भी बेस m है, तो इसका वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू x हो जाता है. ओके, इट इज m टू द पावर log of x टू द बेस m, दोनों का बेस m है, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू x. यहाँ भी देखो बेस e, so this is equal to 1 plus 2t to the whole square, correct, minus 1 by 4. देखो बेस log of natural logarithm base e, so value of this one is total, that is 1 plus 2t to the whole square. Okay, this is equal to 1 plus 2t square, 1 plus 2t square, 1 plus 2t to the whole square upon 2 is a common. 1 by 2 is common, 1 plus 2t to the whole square is a common. Remaining terms are log of 1 plus 2t minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 is a common, so 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. You can write it as upon 2, that is 1 plus 2t to the whole square upon 4 into log of 1 plus 2t square minus 1. Here 2, that is 1 by 2, we have to write here 2. Okay, log of n into log of m, n into log of m, log of m to the power n minus 1. Okay, so this one is your final answer. So in this way you can calculate the integral of log of 1 plus x to the power 1 plus x dx. Students, please make a note.